Welcome to Strategic Leadership in the AI Era with Brian C. Jensen, your go-to resource for navigating the transformative power of artificial intelligence. In each episode, we explore emerging trends, best practices, and actionable insights to help you lead confidently in a world shaped by advanced technology. Now, here's your host, Brian C. Jensen.
Hello, and welcome back to Strategic Leadership in the AI Era. I'm your host, Brian C. Jensen. Today, we're looking at how artificial intelligence doesn't just reshape business practices, it also influences the very culture of an organization. We often think of AI in terms of efficiency or innovation, but how does it affect values, behaviors, and mindsets within a company? That's what we'll explore in today's episode. Introduction: Leadership, Culture, and AI Integration. Organizational culture is the sum of shared values, attitudes, and practices that guide how employees interact and make decisions. When AI is introduced, it can significantly impact these dynamics. The question for leaders is, how can we shape a culture that not only embraces AI, but thrives because of it? Main content: how AI influences organizational values and behaviors. Data-driven decision-making AI allows teams to base decisions on insights derived from large volumes of data. This encourages a culture where evidence, rather than gut instinct, drives strategies. Industry example: a major retailer used AI to optimize store layouts based on foot traffic patterns. Over time, employees began to rely on data-backed insights instead of personal preferences, resulting in a more analytical culture that improved sales and customer satisfaction. Collaboration across departments. Implementing AI often requires diverse skill sets, from data scientists to operational managers. Collaboration becomes essential, fostering a culture of cross-functional teamwork. Industry example: a global manufacturing firm integrated AI into its production lines. Engineers, IT specialists, and frontline workers collaborated to identify bottlenecks, leading to a unified approach to continuous improvement. Openness to experimentation. AI technologies evolve rapidly, and organizations that succeed with AI often adopt a mindset of continual learning and experimentation. This can transform a static workplace into one that embraces calculated risks. Industry example: a tech company adopted AI-driven prototypes for real-time language translation in virtual meetings. Mistakes happened initially, but the culture of experimentation allowed teams to refine the tool quickly, ultimately enhancing global communication. Ethical and responsible use. AI raises new ethical questions about bias, privacy, and accountability. Leaders who prioritize transparency and responsible usage instill a culture of trust and integrity. Industry example: a financial services provider implemented AI-driven credit scoring. To avoid potential biases, they established an ethics committee and auditing process, ensuring fair lending practices and reinforcing a culture of accountability. Building a culture receptive to AI and innovation. Clear vision and communication. Leaders should articulate why AI is being adopted and what benefits it brings. This clarity reduces resistance and aligns employees around a shared vision. Training and support. Offer learning opportunities so employees understand AI's role. This could involve workshops, online modules, or lunch and learn sessions. Support systems like mentorship or help desks make new technology less intimidating. Reward and recognition. Acknowledge teams or individuals who champion AI projects or demonstrate innovative thinking. Recognizing these efforts signals that experimentation and learning are valued, reinforcing a culture of progression. Overcoming resistance to change can be unsettling. Resistance often arises from fear of job displacement or concerns about data security. Here are a few strategies to address these concerns. Transparency. Be open about how AI tools will be used and what their limitations are. Clarity can dispel rumors and reduce anxiety. Inclusivity. Involve a broad range of employees in pilot projects or decision-making processes. When people feel heard, they're more likely to support new initiatives. Focused engagement. Assign AI ambassadors or champions within each department. These individuals can answer questions and share success stories, making the broader workforce more comfortable with the technology. Brian's insights: engaging employees in the AI journey. From a leadership standpoint, it's important to model the behaviors you want to see in the organization. This means showing genuine curiosity about AI, being receptive to feedback, and celebrating milestones, even small ones. When employees see leaders actively participating in AI initiatives, they're more likely to mirror that enthusiasm. Additionally, consider structured feedback loops like regular check-ins or feedback forms to gauge employee sentiment. Monitoring metrics such as team engagement, productivity levels, and error rates can help assess how well the culture is adapting. Key takeaways: cultural transformation. Through AI can shift an organization's values from prioritizing data-driven decisions to fostering collaborative problem-solving. Proactive learning environment. Encouraging constant learning and experimentation helps employees adapt to rapidly evolving AI tools. Overcoming resistance. Openness, inclusivity, and clear communication are essential to managing fears and skepticism around AI. Measurement and assessment. Tracking changes in engagement, performance, and morale can reveal the real impact of AI on culture. Measuring cultural shifts and their impact. To evaluate cultural changes over time, leaders can use employee surveys. Track how staff feel about AI implementation, collaboration, and leadership support. Performance metrics. Correlate improvements in quality, speed, or innovation with AI adoption. Turnover and retention. A healthier culture often correlates with higher retention rates. Feedback sessions. Encourage open discussion in town halls or team meetings, capturing real-time insights on how AI initiatives are progressing. Conclusion: developing an organizational culture for the future. A strong, adaptive culture is key to unlocking the full potential of AI. By prioritizing transparency, ongoing learning, and collaboration, leaders can create an environment where technology amplifies human potential instead of replacing it. As you consider AI integration in your own organization, ask yourself, are we building a culture that welcomes innovation, or are we clinging to old habits? In our next episode, we'll explore how AI is reinventing the world of management consulting, another fascinating shift in how businesses operate. Until then, thank you for joining me on this journey to understand the many ways AI influences our workplaces and how we as leaders can guide that change responsibly.
Thank you for listening to Strategic Leadership in the AI Era with Brian C. Jensen. We hope today's conversation inspired new ideas and innovative thinking. Be sure to join us next time as we continue exploring the cutting edge of AI, leadership, and strategic growth. Till then, keep leading forward.